Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's fun to code. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to create our own image. We're going to be learning how to create our own drawing app. So, first we need to get our basic libraries, but in this one we also need to add our PIL libraries because we're importing images. And then our basic root libraries, and then our title will be drawing app or whatever you want. And the size we will keep 600 by 600. Then here is the color label. So these are just names for the labels I've kept. You can put anything as long as it helps you remember. So yeah. So color underscore label equals label root comma. So this is basically saying that it belongs in category label and that belongs in the root, and text equals our text will be round bracket, so it's a round bracket, enter a color. And this in this video we'll be using drop downs. So after this we'll be placing the color label at 0.6 for X and 0.9 and then for Y, and then anchor equals center. So this will place it at the center. Then this is our input box, so where you can input your stuff. So say you don't like the color black and you want to put orange, cyan, dark blue, any of those colors and more, you can put that in here. This is just like the basic color. Then we place this input box at 0.8 for X and 0.9 for Y. Then, as always, anchor equals center. Now, canvas equals, so now we're getting into the canvas. Canvas equals canvas, so that's the type, and where it's present in the root. Now the size dimensions. The width will be 590 and the height will be 510. The background will be white and the highlight background will be light gray. So the actual background will be white, but then the highlight, the like border around it will be like light gray. Then this is our image. So since we're uploading an image, we need to take the PIL library. So image equals image tk dot photo image. So that's the type of image. And then round bracket image dot open. And always, like I've done here, put double quotes before putting your image name. And you can put anything that you want your drawer to be. And our drawer won't actually move, the line will just start from him. So yeah, just like that, we're creating this project. I'm sorry, on the wrong project. And yeah, so sorry, this is the wrong project. This one I'll be showing you in the next video. So perfect. So now this is the canvas and this is our image. My image canvas.create, image 5050, this is size, image equals img, directions, no directions, and where we're placing this. And we're defining our old x, old new y, new x, new y, and old y. And this is our defining our directions. So this here will be defined right direction, round bracket, event, dot dot, and yeah, just copy that code and just define it. And if direction equals right line, create underscore line, width, fill, and yes. Just copy that code and yes. Then canvas.pack, so this will pack the canvas, root.bind, right direction, left direction, up direction, down underscore dir, up underscore dir, left underscore dir, and right underscore dir. Then, as always, don't forget to end your code with root.mainloop. After you're all done, don't forget to save your code and run it. So, say I don't like black and I put cyan. And now, if I do this, my person will start at cyan. But I say I don't want cyan any longer, and I put orange, and now I go down, it's orange. So yeah, have fun creating whatever awesome projects you want. See you in the next video. Bye! Also, don't forget to subscribe and like to It's Fun to Code for more awesome videos.